been going back and forth into Russia for quite some time. We know he got paid for a so-called speaking engagement. We know he was sitting right next to Putin, and on and on and on. He wants to get immunity. Now, I'm awfully glad. All I have to say, I don't know what the sound was. But whoever it is, it was the shot you better shoot straight. Whether we're talking about